Hey, happy Wednesday. Let's jump into it. All right, so we'll just go over all the current positions and one I forgot to mention yesterday. But let's see here. Let's see. Let's start with the equity position. So Goldman Sachs, nothing's changed here. Yeah, I think financial services had a pretty decent day, which was nice to see. Man, is this really just gone like dormant? That's a long time. If this can turn up, then that would be fantastic. With this whole, this thing has been pulling back for over a month. Man, it's pretty crazy to think about. So Goldman, wait, where am I? Oh yeah, Goldman Sachs. So yeah, nothing's changed with this one. 459 and 13 cents is the average cost basis. Okay, Taiwan Semiconductor. You know, none of this is surprising to me at all, and it just cracks me up how like my thought process of when I added to this position when it gapped up to 220 was this market sucks. This gap is probably going to get filled like sooner than later. But you got to stick to rules and not just kind of feelings, so anyways, yeah. Also, look at this. It says Biden to further limit NVIDIA, AMD, AI chip exports and final push. So I think it's down after hours, which would make sense, I guess. Let's see NVIDIA. Yeah. Man. Ugh. After hours, that's not good. Man. Man, oh man. If this can find support here and move back up, that would be fantastic. Yeah. It's like really needed for this bull market to remain, things are not looking so hot. So Taiwan Semiconductor, now I'm like flat on this position. So yeah, but this is completely fine. This is totally fine. I would probably take this below the 50-day moving average. Yeah. All right. So, let's look at this on a weekly chart. Yeah. So, breakout. It's pulling back to where it broke out from. Let's see this volume in here. Yeah, see, it's kind of heavy volume. Kind of. Well, go. Oh, CCJ. Wow. All right, it closed pretty decently. So I would take this below the 200-day moving average. Well, I should say I would get out of this below the 200-day moving average. Yeah, thematically, I still like this. So that's it for the equity positions. Let's talk about what I did today. So I got out of IBIT here, and I think this is totally fine. Yeah, right here at the 50-day moving average. Like this is. Oh, anyways. So the that was where is it? 580. and I sold it for 450. And like I said, I still think that this is fine. I still think this is fine. You know, and in terms of long term, I'm long term, you know, very bullish on Bitcoin. You know, my Bitcoin strategy is completely different from this brokerage account. So, yeah. Yeah, we'll see what happens off of this 50-day moving average. It'll be really interesting to see how it reacts around this 50-day moving average. That would be, you know, you kind of have a clear risk to reward off of the 50-day moving average here. Now, what to learn from this trade is on this day right here, when I was talking about thinking that, you know, that this was not, that this would be a good spot to kind of get out of it. And sure enough, that very next day, you know, by the time I really was looking at this was totally after hours. And so, but anyways, so what to learn from this would be, while markets are suspect, have a more conservative target price. And so, yeah, so that's what to learn from it, and have that, you know, price target more conservative, and just, you know, take what you can get and get out. So that's what I should have done here. You know, because this was a really nice gain into a loser, you know, and you hate to do that. You really, really hate to do that. That's this horrible, horrible mistake. So, all right, let's see how some of these other thingies are looking. Right. I mean, this looks okay. It's nice to see that, you know, a little shakeout here and was bought. Let's look at Marathon. Yeah, no. Clean Spark. No go. Really strange. Clean Spark and Marathon. Huh. Okay, so yeah, that's what to learn from that one is have a more conservative price target and then just get out, especially when market's a little suspect, you know. So then Geo, I forgot to mention this one yesterday. Look at this today. So I'm still in this one. Yeah, this is fantastic. Finally, it gets over 30. This thing has been a tease. I've been in this for a little bit. It's getting close to the price target here. Oh, shoot. After hours, it actually touched it. So, yeah, this is close to the price target, 32-ish. So, you know, I'll get out here pretty soon. Now, this is on good volume and a breakout from a nice long base. So I want to give this some time to work. But again, this market sucks. So anyways, Geo, February 21st is the expiration. Those are $25 strike price. 505, those are currently 705. Moving on. Let's look at this on the weekly chart. Yeah, awesome. Monthly, whoop. Okay. Joe. Oh, NASDAQ, I'm in those TQQQQs. Now, did we get saved by the bell here? Maybe, and maybe only for Biden to ruin our party. Today was like looked really really bad, and it's really started to sell it off. But I really wanted to wait for the close, and just really really wanted to wait, which I did. So yeah, see, it's still holding this 50-day moving average. As long as it does, there is hope. But after hours, Biden, man, jeez. Hopefully by Friday, everybody will forget about this. Yeah, and then, the Fed minutes that came out, none of it is surprising what they said, just that inflation is an issue, whatever. So TQQQ, February 21st is the expiration, $82 strike price, 504. Those are currently 592. Then the other ones are March 21st, $85 strike price, 840. Those are currently 655. So that's all the positions, I think. Yeah, that's it. So now let's go over the other indexes here. So let's go over to Russell. It's hanging on, That's a pretty good close. Oh. Yeah. Russell down. It's hanging on, but I mean, it's crazy to think this is a long time. January 5th that this thing has just been down. Or did I say January 5th? December 5th. Yeah, it's just wild to think. I mean, I was super bullish, and this is real strange to me, but whatever. S&P. Yeah, this is below the 50-day moving average. This is a no-go. In all seriousness, the last thing that we have until I'm neutral to bearish is, NASDAQ. Ooh. So, yeah. All right, let's go over some sectors. Healthcare. Ooh, nice little shakeout right here. That's good. That's good to see. That's really good to see. That's fantastic. All right. But anyways, these are all no-goes. You know what I mean? This is a no-go. Below the 50-day moving average, below 200-day moving average. Now, in terms of risk to reward, it is very easy to see here anything below 140 to be nah. But anyways. Biotech, below the 200-day moving average, this is a no-go. Real estate, just... Oh, maybe it ticked up because bonds. Whoa, there's a gap to fill down here. Ooh, that's the other thing we got to talk about. Bonds. What is this? National milk testing. Oh, speaking of bird flu, let's see how Moderna did. -9%. All right. Where else were we going with all this? Let's look at home builders. Ooh, yeah. So this gap was pretty much filled, and it's really good to see this closing up on some decent volume. So that's really good to see. But again, I mean, look at this. This is wild. There's so much selling. So below the 200-day moving average, below the 50-day moving average, that is a no-go. That is a no-go zone. Super no-go zone. Let's see this on a weekly chart. Yeah, this is a mega no-go zone. Ultra no-go. Let's see this on a monthly. Yeah. Okay. Oh man, yeah, see, I wonder how Nail has been doing. Wow. 176 to 80. Yikes. This is a 3x leveraged home builders ETF. Nail. Oh shoot, it's actually even still on my watch list. Let's get that thing out of there. Gold had a good day, I guess. Well, at least a gold miner did. Whoa! But the 50-day moving average on any sort of decent volume? No. How's gold today? Oh, it's trying to get back above the 50-day moving average. Okay, let's rock and roll with gold again. That would be sweet. Let's get another bull market to go after. Silver, ooh, no go. Silver, let's see, is this Gold Miners ETF? GDX? Yeah, it is. VanEck Gold Miners ETF. Trash. Okay. We looked at financial. Oh, let's look at communications. So, I was gonna go after this, but I didn't. That next day, it was just got booted and the market sucked. And I was like, I'm not adding any exposure here. So there's that. Consumer staples closed up, but you know, it's quite remarkable, right? Like how good this looked right here. You know, like this looked great. Clear uptrend. Nice long pullback, you know, like a gap up, couple of them over these moving averages, and then a nice mellow consolidation only to be completely sold. You know, it's not very common. Yeah, not very common at all. Jeez. So, okay, so that's now a no-go. Let's see, like, wow, just wow. Let's see how United Health is doing. Oh yeah, baby. If this can turn up, that will be really good for Dow Jones, my favorite index. Oh, there is a gap to fill all the way down here. Let's look how corn's doing. I've kind of forgotten about corn because this stupid market has been making me think about only that. Yeah, so awesome. This is now over all these moving averages here. So any sort of pullback or whatever, I will be going after corn. That'll be exciting. Maybe this will be kind of like nostalgic. This is what got me into futures way back here whenever Russia attacked Ukraine. Yeah, so somewhere in here. Okay. Corn. Have we gone through the sectors? Oh shoot, what's going on with the Wi-Fi? Is this thing stuck? Huh. Oh, we're back. All right. What are we going through? Oh yeah, Mag 7, and then that's it. Then we'll be out of here. Nice. Apple's holding on. Very important. Microsoft up for the day. Ooh, but it's kind of got sold off. Ugh. Yeah, so I mean, so this is a no-go, you know. If it can turn back up, then yeah, but as of now, it's, you know, it's a no-go. Below all these moving averages, that's a no-go. Amazon is holding on. 220 seems like an area of support. So that would be good if I can turn up. So Amazon looks okay. Apple looks okay. Meta looks okay. Ooh, I mean, dang, Meta does look good. So Apple Meta. Let's see Google. Apple Meta, Amazon. Those look good. Google looks okay. I mean, it looks good. This looks good. Google. And then Tesla. I mean, I wouldn't go after this one here. You know, none of these I would really be going after. I mean, I guess I like Apple. Sure, you mean 240 right below there. There's clear risk to reward. So, it's actually not a terrible idea. Apple's okay. Apple, and then Meta looks pretty good to me. Yeah. All right, so now let's go over capitulation and elation. So let's start with elation. Geo, prison stocks. Wow, Geo, a stock that I'm in on the elation list. Yeah, getting close to the short-term price target. Nice, good volume over here, over 30. So, killer. Oh, it's still trying to go up after hours, too. Nice. Yeah. Don't know what to say about that. Geo, okay, so that's it for elation. Now let's go to capitulation. Rumble. It rumbled and now it's napping. But this is certainly one to watch, you know. But whoa, is this thing super illiquid? Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, so down 12%. And this is why I never ever touch these sort of things. Long, short, whatever. You know, like the whole back win with AMC. You know, never touch this. And didn't really feel like I was missing out at all. Never, long, short, just, I don't, you know, just, no. AMC, and then GameStop too. You know, same thing. Although, look at this. GameStop's kind of picking back up. Sort of, I guess. I can't do it. I just can't do it. You know, I just want to do it. Unless it was like something super obvious and meets all of my criteria, then I would consider it. Oh, let's look at Coinbase. Yeah, no go. You know, Coinbase has been a strange stock. I remember I was in Coinbase back here. This looked like a fantastic IPO base to me. And just really strange. I just, yeah. And ever since then, I don't think I've ever gone after Coinbase ever again. When was this? 2021? Yeah, I guess that would make sense. Yeah. Yeah, it was like Coinbase, Nvidia, and Tesla. 2021, that's what I was in. Yeah, this was all the same time. Tesla, Nvidia. Yeah, see? The exact same time. September, October, November 2021. That and Coinbase. Yep. Those are good times. Fun times. All right. Is that it? I guess that's it. You know, I won't be making a video tomorrow because, you know, we got to be in mourning tomorrow. So there will be nothing going on. And so then Friday, I will be making a video. And we'll see you guys on Friday. And I hope everybody has an amazing evening.